Artificial intelligence is rapidly changing our world. From self-driving cars to advanced medical diagnostics, AI is making strides that were once the stuff of science fiction. It's revolutionizing industries and automating tasks at an unprecedented rate. Factories are becoming more efficient and repetitive tasks are being handled with precision and speed. But there's one thing AI can't replicate: the essence of being human. Despite its capabilities, AI lacks the intrinsic qualities that define our humanity. This essay explores the unique qualities that make us irreplaceable, highlighting the enduring power of human connection. Our ability to form deep, meaningful relationships is something no machine can emulate. AI excels at processing data, recognizing patterns, and making logical decisions. It can analyze vast amounts of information in seconds, providing insights that would take humans much longer to uncover. However, it falls short when it comes to understanding and experiencing the world through a human lens. AI can simulate conversations, but it cannot truly grasp the nuances of human experiences. Emotions, creativity, empathy, and moral judgment are realms where AI struggles to tread. These are areas where human intuition and understanding play a crucial role. These limitations are not weaknesses. They are boundaries that highlight the distinctiveness of human nature. They are reminders of what makes us human. Our ability to dream, to feel, and to create is unparalleled. Our ability to connect with one another on a deeper level, to understand emotions and to share in each other's joys and sorrows, and to navigate complex social situations are strengths that set us apart. Non-verbal communication, such as a comforting touch or a knowing glance, speaks volumes in ways AI cannot. As we delve into the specific ways AI cannot replace humans, remember that this isn't about pitting humans against machines. It's about recognizing the complementary relationship between the two. It's about appreciating the unique value we bring to the table and ensuring that technology complements, not replaces, our humanity. By blending our strengths with technological advancements, we can create a future where both humans and AI thrive together. Emotional intelligence is the cornerstone of human connection. It's the ability to understand and manage our own emotions and to empathize with the feelings of others. This capacity allows us to build meaningful relationships, navigate social complexities, and respond to situations with sensitivity and understanding. Consider the role of therapists. They provide a listening ear, offering support and guidance to those struggling with emotional distress. A therapist's ability to empathize with a patient, to understand their unique experiences and perspectives, is crucial to the therapeutic process. Could an AI replicate this level of emotional depth? Could it truly understand the nuances of human experience, the pain of loss, the joy of love, the complexities of grief? While AI can mimic human conversation and even generate responses that sound empathetic, it lacks the genuine emotional understanding that forms the foundation of human connection. Creativity is another realm where humans excel. It is a boundless field where imagination knows no limits and where the human spirit finds its most profound expression. From painting and music to literature and dance, our creative endeavors span a vast array of mediums. Each form of art allows us to communicate our innermost thoughts and feelings. We express ourselves in ways that are both deeply personal and universally resonant. Through our creative works, we share our stories, our dreams, and our struggles with the world. AI can generate art and music, but can it truly capture the essence of human creativity? While AI can mimic techniques and styles, it often falls short of conveying the depth of human emotion. Think of a piece of art that has moved you deeply. It might be a painting that draws you into its world, or a sculpture that speaks to you in a language beyond words. Perhaps it's a painting that evokes a sense of wonder, capturing a moment of beauty or a fleeting emotion that resonates with your soul. Or a song that speaks to your soul, its melody and lyrics intertwining to create a powerful emotional experience. Or a poem that captures the bittersweet beauty of life, distilling complex emotions into a few carefully chosen words. These works of art resonate with us because they are infused with human emotion, experience, and imagination. They reflect our joys, our sorrows, and our hopes. AI-generated content, while impressive, often lacks this depth of feeling. It can produce technically proficient works, but they often feel hollow and devoid of true emotional connection. It can mimic styles and patterns, but it struggles to replicate the raw, unfiltered emotion that lies at the heart of true artistic expression. This is because art is not just about technique, it's about conveying the human experience. This is because creativity is not just about generating something new. It's about expressing the human experience in all its complexity and beauty. It's about connecting with others on a deep, emotional level. Through art, we explore what it means to be human. We celebrate our individuality and our shared humanity, creating works that speak to the heart and soul. In this way, art becomes a powerful testament to the richness of the human experience. Section 4, the moral compass. In this section, we delve into the intricate and often complex world of ethical decision-making, a cornerstone of human existence. Ethical decision-making is a fundamental aspect of being human. It involves a deep understanding of right and wrong and the ability to navigate through the gray areas of morality. We grapple with moral dilemmas, weigh the potential consequences of our actions, and strive to make choices that align with our values. These decisions are often influenced by our upbringing, culture, and personal experiences. While AI can be programmed with ethical guidelines, it lacks the moral compass that guides human behavior. AI operates on algorithms and data, devoid of the emotional and ethical depth that humans possess. Take the example of autonomous vehicles. These marvels of modern technology are designed to navigate roads and make driving decisions with precision. These vehicles are equipped with sophisticated AI systems that allow them to navigate roads and make driving decisions. They rely on sensors, cameras, and complex algorithms to interpret their surroundings and act accordingly. But what happens in a life or death situation where the vehicle must choose between two bad options? This is where the limitations of AI become evident. A human driver would rely on their moral judgment, instincts, and understanding of the situation to make a split-second decision. They might consider factors that an AI cannot, such as the potential for harm to others, the context of the situation, and their own moral beliefs. An AI, on the other hand, would follow its programming, which may not account for the nuances of the specific situation. It would make a decision based on preset parameters and data, without the ability to adapt to the moral complexities of the moment. This raises profound ethical questions about the limits of AI and the importance of human judgment in critical situations. As we continue to integrate AI into our daily lives, we must consider how to balance technological advancements with the irreplaceable value of human ethical reasoning. Section 5. Thinking outside the algorithm. Complex problem-solving often requires more than just data analysis. It demands intuition, creativity, and the ability to think outside the box. Humans excel in these areas, drawing on their experiences, emotions, and knowledge to find innovative solutions to unforeseen challenges. Imagine a medical emergency where a doctor is faced with a patient exhibiting unusual symptoms. The doctor's years of training, combined with their ability to observe, listen, and think critically, allow them to make life-saving decisions in real time. While AI can assist with diagnosis and treatment recommendations, it may struggle to adapt to unpredictable situations or to account for factors beyond the data. Human intuition and experience remain invaluable in these scenarios, allowing us to navigate complexity and find solutions that AI might overlook. Section 6. The human touch. Customer service is another area where human connection remains paramount. While AI chatbots can handle routine inquiries and provide basic information, they often fall short when it comes to providing empathetic and personalized support. Imagine calling customer service with a complex issue. You're frustrated and need help navigating a confusing situation. A chatbot might provide scripted responses or direct you to a FAQ page, leaving you feeling unheard and undervalued. A human agent, on the other hand, can listen to your concerns, understand your frustration, and provide tailored solutions that address your specific needs. They can offer empathy, build rapport, and turn a negative experience into a positive one. In an increasingly digital world, the human touch in customer service is more important than ever.